Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome here to Miami, Florida. Boys, we've only had the C8 Corvette for 4 days. We put 1,200 miles on it. We're headed home to Utah soon. You're probably wondering, Miami, Kentucky, Utah, that does not make sense, but trust me, there is a reason behind the madness. We're racing off to the Sign Savers today because we're getting paint protection film and window tint. We gotta be there in 3 minutes, and it's a 9-minute drive, so we gotta roll. And go! Yo! This thing is sick, boys. That was 55. Okay, block it. Block the speedo. We're good. We're good. You cannot see the speedo. We're fine. She gets squirrely in the early mornings here in Florida. Welcome to Sign Savers. Dun 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 dun. There's just certain cars that beckon for an exhaust, and I can tell this C8 Corvette, once we open it up, once we let it breathe a little bit, the crackles, the backfires, the pops, the bangs, I can tell this C8 Corvette is gonna scream. We're gonna be getting an exhaust soon, but wait, we gotta get to Utah first, and well, we're a long ways from home. Put it on. That window tint makes this car look so much better. That is great. That window tint looks incredible. It's like the most simple mod, but it just completely changes the whole dynamic of the car. So we're doing paint protection film on the hood, the front bumper, the A-pillar, the mirrors, as well as the side rocker panels. And we're going with the XPEL Ultimate Plus 10. It's 10 millimeters thick, and you can see it's already pre-cut. So 2020 C8 Corvette XPEL already has the full front end kit for it. So they're gonna start working here soon. But obviously, like a brand new car, you wanna protect that paint. We don't wanna get any more rock chips. We do have one minor rock chip somewhere right here, and that's it. For 1,200 miles, we did pretty good, but that extra level is gonna be perfect. I'm starting to feel a trend right now going on. We're in the second bay here at the Sign Savers, and they have 2 more Lamborghini Uruses. I don't know, boys, I think there's a wide body off-roading lifted Urus in my future. Look at the vinyl on this one though. I could not imagine seeing this thing in the sun. And then the military green looks amazing. And check out that like almost Verde Ithaca interior right there. I don't know, boys. I think I need a Urus in my life. It'd be cool. I just came up with an idea that might kind of sort of trigger the purists. What if I bought a Lamborghini Urus and we took the doors off and left it that way, kind of Jeep style? It looks pretty sick. Could you imagine this thing with a wide body, lifted on mud terrain tires with no doors? We're getting some idea, obviously purple with white wheels. I mean, it has to be, it would. I grabbed a scrap piece just so you could see this vinyl under the sun. The flake on this is incredible. And just like that, the C8 Corvette has been protected. We are ready to roll on the journey back home to Utah. Massive shout out to the Sign Savers. Boys, if you live in the South Florida area and you need a vinyl wrap or paint protection film, be sure to check them out. I'm gonna link their Instagram below. Also, XPEL paint protection films. Like, this is gonna protect my paint moving forward with the C8 Corvette. If you got a cool car, guys, like the first thing you have to do is to protect the paint. I don't know why, I just get so much satisfaction out of this. It's just cool, it is. Welcome here to Miami, Florida. Are you kidding me? It's snowing in Utah right now, like it is blizzarding right now. It's 84 degrees Fahrenheit here. It's my understanding that travel has been halted, so all these cruise ships are just chilling in the port of Miami. Jeez, those things are huge. Everywhere we go, we see Lamborghini Uruses, or is it Uri? I think it would be, I think the plural of Urus would be Uri. I can't roll the windows down because of the window tint, but wow. Miami is popping right now. We got the Portofino right there. It is actually a perfect day. Like, look at the color of that sky. It's snow, I already said that. It's still snowing in Utah, presumably. We have the 4x4 squared right there, and we have another Urus, and wait for it, we have a Cullinan and a 720S. I don't know, guys. We've seen a lot of Uruses today. Tessa, I have a question for you.
Dun, dun, dun.
Should we get a Urus or should we get something else?
I think a Urus is the move.
She's a Lambo girl. Urus for you?
A sign.
I think for you.
I think
a purple Urus. It is a sign. Oh, I don't know, boys. Actually, this is ridiculous. This is insane. The white looks really good though. Whoa, don't hit me, bro. Our 19th Urus right there. I don't know how to really say this, but we have some bad news. So unfortunately, Tessa is in school and she has to go back to school.
Ew.
Don't do it now. So we're gonna go to the airport soon, but naturally we're here at Outback Steakhouse. Find a girl that likes supercars, they said. Find a girl who likes supercars and a steakhouse. I think this is our 5th time getting steak.
I think it is.
I think it is. Probably should get it one, yeah, anyways, yeah, I think so.
At least we can be chubby.
What did you just say? What did you just say, Tessa?
At least we can be tubby together.
Are you kidding me? Is that a fat joke? Girth Nation, welcome back to the channel. Am I right? Am I right? At least we can be tubby together. I like that. Also, there's a Nissan Murano convertible. I would reckon that 98% of Murano convertibles are here in South Florida. I don't know why, but I just think so. Oh, let me get the door for you, ma'am. Or do you want Murano convertible or a Urus?
I think we gotta stick with the Urus.
You think so? What if we cut the roof off the Urus, though?
There's an idea.
That's an idea. Let me get the door for you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Kidding me? You're making me look bad. I know I've seen this on a lot of other cars. We're low on fuel, and so the GPS gives us gas stations. Very, very convenient. Thank you, General Motors. A donk! Look at that donk! I got excited because of the donk Challenger. We're good. Okay. Phew. And again. Oh, it's cracking. That's insane. Bye. I'll see you in 4 days. Have a good flight. Salt Lake City, Utah, 2,524 miles, a day and 11 hours. We have 1,615 miles on this C8 Corvette, and we're stuck in traffic. So Salt Lake City is that way, but we are headed. Whoa, back end is gone. We're headed this way for a very special surprise. Like I said, we have a very, very, very important pit stop. What's up, dude?
What's going on?
How's it going? Brooks, drag time's right here. We got his 2.4 GTs, we got the Huracan, and the 720S.
Oh, that was better.
That was good. That was too good. No, no. Oh, 3-2. What?
Car's getting hot.
That's crazy. Whoa. Guys, look at all this equipment. If you want to see what Brooks is up to, link in the description below. It's a beautiful day here in Mexico. That thing sounds amazing, and it gets the tires spinning so good. 0 to 60, I just did a 3.1. It's tested at 2.9, but obviously I'm not a very good driver, so I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna get better, but it is fun. Kids, do not try this under any circumstances whatsoever. Like, trust me, like, do not try this, okay? That was perfect, dude. That was so sick. Oh my gosh.
There's a big cloud of smoke coming out.
Oh yeah.
Like
Oh yeah.
The whole time.
That was
I'm just
insane.
kind of holding on and keeping it straight. Nice.
Dude, I love this car. It's cool, isn't it? What do you think? What's your first impressions?
Honestly, it's awesome. The mid-engine format and the interior is really, really nice.
Isn't it? Yeah.
It doesn't feel like 500 horsepower. It feels like more.
It does.
And it's just, I think I need one.
I think you do.
Find me one,
Coming to your channel soon.
Yes, red,
yes.
red, black
yes.
wheels.
Ooh.
Yeah,
That wasn't bad.
You got it.
What?
Yes. Yes. You're an expert. I don't know what you're talking about. That was fantastic.
That was not bad.
Ooh.
That's the best I've ever done. Wow, boys. That was sick. That's the best doors I've ever done. The Corvette did just check engine light.
It did?
Yeah, I did not like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tires are good though.
Sometimes in life, am I right? Am I right? Jeez. Oh yeah, those fans are heating up. You can hear the radiator so loud. I did. Whoops.
That was awesome.
Whoops. You guys know the first rule in Mexico. Once you have your fun, you get lost because, yeah, we left our mark on Mexico. Beautiful country. Hope to see you soon. So, yeah, we did 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds, by the way. But, yeah, we got to check engine light. So anyways, we did very, very well. We got a lot of dust on the car. The tires appear to be totally fine. So there's a very specific technique to do donuts in this car. Just going to a standard parking lot and turn traction control off does not work. You have to find loose sand, you gotta launch it with the tires turned 90 degrees, and then you get the spin class. So we do have to check engine light. I have a feeling it's gonna go away. At least I hope. The car is covered under warranty. I think, I hope, I don't really know. Could you guys imagine waking up to this every single day? This is so sick. I'm so sorry, I missed the cold startup. That's a bad joke.
62.4.
That's true, but can I get a God bless the V10 Lamborghini? It's the fastest, but it doesn't sound quite as good. Quarter mile champion right there. Ooh, yeah, oh, not bad. It's not bad. If there's any McLaren executives watching this video, it sounds good. It's not a Lambo. Do your neighbors hate you?
No.
No?
I behave.
Wow, okay, respect. That is a good looking 720 though. You're welcome, thank you so much, thank you. There are a few things I regret, but not getting a second Gen 4 GT is one of them. Are you kidding me? It looks so good in yellow and black. Brooks can't see quite at all. I should be helping him, but I'm talking to you guys, so you're good, you're totally clear. Yeah, you're straight back. You're straight, but you got plenty of room, you're good. 100%, never doubt full send. There's no doubt in my mind. You're good, you're good. Good right there. I think we're good. Whoa. Yo, that thing looks so good. Are you kidding me? If there's any Ford executives watching today's video, why? Oh, whoa, the ultimate flex right there. Ooh, yeah. That's money, dude. I should not be standing this close, but I am. Just for you guys, I want to get as possible. That pops! Dropped out of the heavens naturally. We have a Lamborghini, of course we do. Okay. Yeah. Put the Urus in the driver. Yeah. It's a Lambo, bro. It's I mean,
we're good.
It's kind of a Lamborghini. It's got a twin turbo V8. In the comments below, if you could have just one car in this entire lineup, which would it be and why? I mean, obviously it'd be one of the Ford GTs, but which one? I think it'd be that one. Look at this view out the rear view mirror. That is so sick in high definition, no less. I have convinced Brooks to give me a ride in the Ford GT, basically just to flex on me because I didn't get one. So yeah, big mistake in life. It's got a twin turbo V6. It's not the best sounding car, but check out these doors. Oh, yes. The yellow Urus right there. Such a sick day here in South Florida. All right, so we're not gonna drive crazy, but we might get an acceleration maybe?
Yeah, of course. Whoa!
That was a double shake and bake. That might have been the first double on the channel. This turbo sound incredible.
Boost comes on, the thing rockets, man.
Wow. And guys, look at the view out that side mirror. That is so sick. Oh, why did I not get a Ford GT? I'm gonna live, I'm gonna survive. But I have a broken heart. Are we doing a round two?
Yeah.
Oh,
ready?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah. See if we can keep it going a little straighter. Got good brakes.
Yeah, the brakes. Not
That's
bad.
the blood.
That was good. That was good.
We got the air brake in the back too. That flips up.
I'm completely ruined. I need this car in my life. This is a whole different level than the first gen GT. This has hypercar feel to it. Oh, regret. If there's any Ford executives still watching my channel, there never was any watching my channel, but if there is one executive, please, I know you're still building them and I'd really like one. Thank you. We're gonna be sitting here for the next 10 minutes as we wait for the lift to go up on the Ford GT.
Fast cars, but slow lifts.
In other news, I got an email from Chevrolet. An issue with the engine and transmission system in your 2020 Corvette has been detected. Please service your vehicle within 1 day.
They detected that?
It did already. I just got an email from like their OnStar Diagnostics.
You've done too many donuts.
Too many donuts. Whoops. That's on me. Well, you're a bad influence. You suggested it. It was your idea. So yeah, if there's any Chevrolet executives watching today's video, I'll be going to the dealership tomorrow. And no, I did not do donuts. Dude, so good to see you.
Thank you so
I
much.
will see you maybe someday in Utah.
Sounds good.
What a day here in the beautiful state of Florida. That sneaky check engine light. I'm not actually gonna take the car to the dealership tomorrow. I just think it's gonna turn off. I really have no reason to believe that. I just think that it's going to. I think the car is totally fine. I guess we'll kind of sort of find out. So tomorrow we got one last thing in the state of Florida and then we are racing home to Utah. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over and I'm out.